Hi. Well, pretty much like the rest of the world, India also has seen a V-shaped recovery with most of the private sector indicators having rebounded to almost 95% of their pre-COVID levels by October, November, and have been inching up since. This has now been complemented by higher spending by center and state, which was long awaited, and which essentially implies that we are going to be seeing a much sharper fiscal impulse going ahead. And I think it needs to be reckoned somewhere that India has indeed broken the link between virus and mobility much earlier and much more successful compared to many countries, given the kind of intensity that we saw back home. That said, we need to recognize that the recovery appears to be currently led by capital and profits and not by labor and wages. The nascent and patchy K-shaped recovery that we are seeing at this point in time post-COVID essentially comes with a potentially scarring labor market and a relatively divided one as well, and also a more oligopolistic market at the firm's level. Now, this income shock at the bottom of the pyramid and the transfer of income which has happened from the bottom to the top, if permanent, could actually imply that you would see a demand scarring impact on the economy. Which of course would imply that you probably could lose some vigor also in the medium term as far as the growth impulse is concerned, and I think it would also have an implication on productivity dynamics back home as well. So I think that is where the role of state becomes very, very important, and it's candid to know that the government has taken cognizance of the fact that there is a need of a policy push which is more medium term and more productivity driven. The infra push that we have seen in the current budget is indeed welcome. It if it actually executed well, could actually imply that you would see a higher aggregate demand, crowding in private investment, jobs creation, which actually will absorb the unemployed at this point in time, and eventually will improve the medium term potential of the economy, and plus the external competitiveness. In all, somewhere job creation will be the key to ensure that we are able to mitigate the COVID-led inequalities that we are seeing at this point in time. For the near term, in all, we expect that growth would be rebounding very sharply in FY22. We are expecting a 10.5% pickup in growth as against minus 7.1% for FY21, which is, I think we are still more optimistic compared to CSO for this year. But I think in the medium term, it's important that this growth has to be sustained well with a potential improvement in the trend growth, and that is where the role of state will be important and the execution will be the key from here on. Thank you.